So what happened was during chemo, I think you got the distortion and the it's like a shifting in your DNA, and it's not just through chemo. I think when you got the cancer too.
Yeah.
But I think what happened was it almost like took chunks out of you. That was like you got an upgrade after it.
Yeah, it was so crazy. It was a rebirth, I'll call it. It was like a part of me died, but also I came to life. Again, like, oh, I feel myself. I know what I'm feeling. I can understand my feelings. Life traumas can cause you to be sick and grow diseases rapidly.
Right.
And for me, I think it's a combination of both. It was like a lot of depression, a lot of self-sabotaging, a lot of self-reflecting, not understanding, growing in from a teenager to the adult, trying to balance it. Oh, girl, it was a lot. And then you just learn how to mask and camouflage from the people around you. I'm not protecting people that should not be protected. So now that I went through chemo and I feel like some kind of clarity as far as like, okay, now I'm not going to hold shit in. Now you're going to respect me wherever I am.
Hey, oh, and I can't, and off the bone, and off the bone, and that low. So, presently I'm standing here right now, you're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concentrating on my music, lover, and my babies. Let me wanna ask the lady for a ticket out of town. I just wanna take it out of town, look around and say down. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to ride in a long ride.
vision because you were working on your foundation.
Yes.
And so like that's very important, and most successful and really good, you have to anchor the 3D.
Yeah.
So that's actually a very good thing, and I don't want to say hard to find, but it's not as easy to find.
Oh,
so
that's so cute. I be thinking people just be complimenting me, honestly, but I have to understand, like, I work for this shit.
Yes.
Like,
I know.
When you live your life, you don't understand the power that you hold.
You went through cancer.
Right. And even that, cancer is just like...
Yeah, I know.
And it's a mental thing. Like, once I genuinely surrendered, because when you're put in a serious situation where you're either dying or you're living, you're gonna for real surrender. And that's what I had to learn how to do, just trust. Because like I ran away from myself for so long, thinking that I'm running away from other people. But I'm like, okay, they cause things within me that I have to fix. I can't blame mommy and daddy for trauma anymore. I have to do the work. You didn't break that generational curse, so let me do it for you. You grew up learning how to please your parents, your everybody. But it's just like, how do you please yourself? You know, and how do you not be doubtful while pleasing yourself? Because I would please myself. Let's buy clothes, right? Buying clothes. Now I feel like, oh, I shouldn't have did that because now I spent too much. But I can go do it for a niece, a cousin. But it's just like, humble yourself, Nilah. Understand you need to give yourself grace. And I say this, but I need to do that. It's easy to say it.
So you are what I think is a practical spiritual person. And some people, when they go into spirituality, they just are escaping their life. And I don't think you're that.
Whatever the purpose is, I feel like one of the biggest purposes was do what I already did, was break a generational curse and continue to though, like, and stand in that shit and don't feel fear, because like, you know, most of the time you're like, I'm afraid of how they're going to receive it or how they're going to perceive it or what their opinion is. I often change things I wanted to do in my life based off of what my mom wanted from me or my aunt that I lived with. But it feels good to just like, I don't give a fuck. Now I'm trying to find my own lane. But I don't want to waste time either. So.
Maybe we could take a long walk. Maybe we could take a long walk. Maybe we could take a long walk. Maybe you're here, I'm pleased. I really dig your company. Your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, now I can see what a king's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation, share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about so right 3118. Your background ain't squeaky clean. Sometimes you gotta swim upstream. You ain't no saint, all the sinner. Put your good foot down to make your soul winner. I respect that, man, you're so fat and you're all that, plus supreme, then you're humble, baby. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation, share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we can talk about Revelations 3:17. Maybe we can see a movie, or maybe we can see a play Saturday. Maybe we can roll a tree, breathe.
Hey guys, I am getting ready to go to the store. I've been loving this drink from Starbucks. It's called caramel brulee latte, the hot one. I really like it, and I've been substituting the milk for almond milk because I'm lactose intolerant, yada yada yada. But I'm about to go to the store to try to go get the recipes that I need to make it. And today I think I'm just gonna walk because it's a good day to just walk. It's 70 degrees in December. It is 70 degrees in December. And y'all know I got my cousin on the phone. We always on the phone. That's my girl. So shout out to you, Gabby, for always being my ride or die. We love you. Yes, so I'm gonna go get the ingredients. I'm switching over to my GoPro, so the quality will not be the same, but it's still gonna give, okay? See y'all in a little bit. Peace.
3:17. Yep. Or maybe chillin' just be, or maybe we could take a cruise and listen to the roots. Maybe eat some passion fruit, maybe cry to the blues. Or just
we're gonna go look for all the stuff we need, y'all.
Find a spot for us to spark conversation, elation, stimulation, share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we can talk about soul ride 3118.
Only see salted caramel, so that's the one that I'm gonna go with. I don't see it. I only see the salted caramel, guys, so we're gonna just grab the salted caramel and call it a day. Circles round and round, and why you doing me so wrong? I forgot to go get the candy, like the little candy bits to put on top. Oh, and I forgot the whipped cream, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, let's go. How you doing? I currently have all the ingredients that I think I need to make this recipe. I'm not too certain, but let me show y'all what I got. So I got the caramel sauce. Well, I am certain because I followed the instructions. Here is the caramel sauce. I got the instant coffee. I didn't know which brand to get, y'all. So if y'all know a good instant coffee, leave it down below, or maybe you shouldn't, because I shouldn't be drinking coffee anyway. Salted caramel sauce. These two, they always running around. I got this small thing of almond milk. I don't really drink almond milk, so I just got a small one. And I got some whipped cream. Last but not least, I couldn't find the Heath bars that was in the package, so I got this extra large one. I'm not gonna be eating a lot of this anyway. I'm just literally taking it and I'm gonna crush it up to put it on top of my drink. I'll drop down the recipe that I use. It's this YouTuber. So the guy that I got this recipe from is right here. His name is Patrick Meyer. He's hilarious too. So if y'all wanna like get some ideas on how to make your drinks at home like I do, cause honey, we're not rich. We have to budget, okay? Shouldn't even be in here making this. Oh, I was telling my cousin earlier, I was like, is it just me or am I the only one that like to learn recipes from YouTube? Like, YouTube taught me how to cook for real. Like, I know how to cook certain things, but baby, y'all made me some experts. Like, if y'all like to cook and find YouTube recipes, there's this guy named Didi's Kitchen or Didi's Kitchen. There's another guy named Charlie Andrews. He makes like Creole food or, you know, Cajun food, whatever you want to say. And I can't think about this. There's another lady, and that's where I got that salmon recipe from. Like last year when I was going through chemo, y'all wanted to get that salmon recipe, and I got that recipe from Cooking with Claudia. Oh my god, once you learn the basics, you just do whatever you want to do, and I learned the basics from her and I just did whatever I wanted to do. But anyway, let me know if you guys want some cooking videos. I'll be back once I make this drink, okay? I'll see you in a little bit. I put the caramel sauce in here and now I'm about to pour in the coffee. This is my coffee so far. So we're gonna all right guys, so my drink is made. I'm about to do a taste test like I said I would. I'm gonna mix it. Yeah, that was definitely worth it. Oh my God. What's his name? Patrick. All right now. That boy definitely got it right, okay? He's a barista. You gotta trust the baristas. Oh, he's a barista? Barista, you gotta trust the barista.